Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Range Rover Vogue SE. That's the home menu screen. If, for argument's sake, it was on anything else, you could press either the home menu, and then you've got phone here. Please pair a phone. That's because there's no other phones paired at the moment. Just to be on the safe side, if there is another phone paired or whatever, you click the phone button there, and it's got search for new. Oops, that's just timed out. First thing we do, make sure Bluetooth is on, and then we're watching out at the bottom here, and we click search new. Best way to do it is vehicle to device. The reason being, vehicle to device, the vehicle generates a PIN code, and you just have to put the PIN code in your phone. If you do it from device to vehicle, you have to generate a PIN code on your phone and then put the same PIN code in there. So it's 4 clicks quicker this way. Not a great deal in it, but it's showing there Barry's iPhone 11. It's picked up, so we'll click on that. To pair and connect phone, enter 1814. So that the screen's come up on my mobile, 1814. Pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Well, I am using this car, thankfully, so we'll allow that. You see there, Range Rover's just changed to connected there, connecting to Barry's iPhone, phone connected.